Cordy Rose said with the D-Wave quantum computer, we are literally summoning the ancient ones.
Even if you look into cymatics, this is a cymatic. It looks like a worm. Cymatics is a Greek word. It means matters in waveforms, is behind particles or waveforms of how we see particles. This is the ancient ancestor, the Archaean worm. A book you can get called The Rainbow in the Worm, The Physics of Organisms by May Wan Ho. It entails the ideal that there is something called the cymatic worm, or the configuration of waveform mechanics that weave the DMT tentacles. You ever had a DMT trip? Those of you who have experienced DMT plant medicine, you see the DMT tentacles that form out of the quote unquote, the Timothy Leary's machine elves. There's frequency of waveforms that you see. You also can see this pattern, Donut. You ever watched Beetlejuice movie with the sandworm on Saturn? Yeah, it looks like a DMT worm.
Even the screensavers, that kind of looks like the old screensaver from like the 90s.
There's an organ in the brain, the epiphysis, that produces the DMT in the brain. People that study anatomy, they call it the worm. It's connected to a ventricle and to the pineal gland, but it's called the epiphysis. The worm is the thing that's producing DMT in the brain with or without plant medicine. So the frequency of these waveforms become molecules that are communicating and exchanging energy by electromagnetic resonance. And it is said that the archons mate with madness to spawn the quantum field, which is chaos. And that's what you're looking at right here. You're looking at proto-matter mentioned by Gnosticism, which is virtual particles. That's what the cymatics is forming, the virtual particles. Worms are serpentine in movement, and our world is made up of energy and waves that take on a serpentine waveform pattern. The toroidal field is like the basis of energy patterns. So this is connected to also the worms. Now we're getting a little bit deeper. So when you look at the very nature of waveforms, especially sine waves, they are very serpentine.